This is Life in the Philippines. Breaking news alert. Earthquakes rattle the Philippines. Stay tuned. A Let's all be in prayer for the people of the Philippines. Question for the day. Have you ever personally been in an earthquake? Leave your comments for me in the comment section of this video. And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is Bobby D saying take care, God bless, and peace.